The rocker panels are gone. All right, let's get this charger up. Looks secure on the pads. Just need a little tweak here. The rocker panels are really caked in this moss. It's coming off well with the soft brush. See that? Good. Take your time, don't rush it. I'm just going to carefully disconnect these modules one by one. Do you see any corrosion on this one? Just a little dust. Looks like it's holding up well. All right, that should do it. Looking good, nice and clear. Oh. All right, first hole's done, looking good. Yeah, that patch seems solid. Moving on to the next one. Watch the sparks, floor's oily. Got it, just gotta seal this edge. Keep it steady, just like that. Let the wheel do the work. It's really coming off now. Looking good. Yeah, almost there. Just a little more on the edge. Just need to torque it down now, and this caliper is good to go. All right, just a little more here. Get it perfect. Looking good. Nothing beats polished chrome.
Thinking star straight out.
All right, springs are compressed.
Oh. Almost there. That's a perfect fit.
She's looking good, ready to roar.
Just the way they did it back then.
Best restoration team, indeed. Okay, the upper hinge is looking good. Just a little more adjustment on the lower one. Check the gap, it's tightening up evenly now. Perfect, we're ready for body filler.
Almost there. Just a little more to the right. Perfect. Tighten that down.
All right, perfect fit on the windshield. Look.
All right, that's the final piece on this side. Perfect fit. The RT looks great.
Absolutely, it brings it all together. The final touches are everything. The difference is just unbelievable. Looks perfect. A true beast. Incredible work. The details are flawless.
All right, let's take this beauty for a spin. Looks good.